Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am KristinCena, and for today's video we are going to do a nudieglow unboxing. I'm going to try one of the items that is in the box. But before all of that, I just would like to inform you, if you have been into my channel, obviously the background is different. It's just like kind of temporary. I think I'm still gonna put on like more design behind, but the reason why it's different now because I have moved. I moved, and like I was from Perth, I was living there, and then I had to move to Darwin for important reasons. So let's go back to the box. So nudieglow, it has this quarterly subscription box and it's all about masks. Actually, the reason why I have been loving masks now, like recently I have been into masks, I've been collecting, and this is the box, guys. They used to have that nude box. I'm gonna put it right here or somewhere in the screen, but that was their box, and I think the reason why they just have this normal box to save more paper, which is really good. The price of this box is $25 plus shipping fee, and as I've said, these are all about masks, and you will receive 5 masks, and I'm gonna show you that. So let's open the box. So we have here nudieglow, hey babe. It's actually thank you letter. So here are the 5 masks, and they do give a bonus product where I will assume it's this one. This is the Collagen eye patch. This is something that you put underneath your eye, this one. So I can't wait to try that one, so I'm gonna just put it there. And whoa, okay, wait, no way. Oh, they actually did not give me a bonus product unlike the last time. So this is actually one of the 5. The reason why I was a little bit surprised because one of the face masks, I think I have it. So this one, green tea milk 1 pack. I do have it here in my drawer. I don't know if I have the tea, green tea. Oh, look! I have the coffee, chocolate, and white milk. So nudieglow gave me this green tea milk 1 pack. And by the way, I did not get this from nudieglow. I just bought this in a Korean store. Next is the Innisfree My Real Squeeze Mask. This is rice. Rice has been like a trend nowadays. Like I have heard of a rice toner. So it's actually like a traditional way of taking care of your skin long time ago, and so they actually use this for the hair, for the face. I mean, the rice, aside from eating it, which I love. And the third that I'm gonna mention is this Midnight Blue Calming Sheet Mask. So I love it because it's from the brand Claire's, and I just know the brand really produces good product, and I am really, one of my wish lists is actually the Claire's Midnight Calming Cream. Yeah, that one. So it says pore care, cooling effect, and bamboo charcoal mask. Lately it's all about bamboo charcoal mask. Like I have given you, I mean, in my past video I did a bamboo charcoal mask, and now they gave me this one, which is another bamboo mask. For the last item is this mask from CosRX 1-Step Original Clear Kit. So there's a pad. I guess this one is a cleaning product, and then you have a cotton right here, and then a mask on the bottom. Among the 5 products that they sent me, I would like to try this collagen eye patch, just because I have not, never have put anything under my eye, I mean an eye patch under my eye, and let's see what happens. Since this is Korean, I had to Google and how to use this, and I mean how long to leave this on my under my eye. So let me just open. Here's how it looks like. This is so thin. I was expecting it to be like a gel, like a silicone gel under my eye. So I guess film, I'll just need to remove that. It's been 15 minutes already, and now it's time to remove the eye patch. So it's actually sticking well. You don't let any sheet mask dry up on your face, because that's the time that it is actually gonna absorb the moisture from your skin. So just take note of that. That's actually my mistake before. I actually put it like on my face, put sheet mask on my face and just sleep on it, which is really a bad habit. So from what I can see, this area right here is obviously moisturized, and it actually brought more shine to my nose. That the essence that was in the mask is actually sticking. And I cannot see an instant effect, and my under eye is not that bad, so I just know that it really hydrated my skin, and it has a collagen which is good for the skin. And actually our body produces its own collagen, and yeah, that was the eye mask for. But for me, collagen eye mask is some kind of like, I don't know the term. Those are the items that I received from the nudieglow box. Actually, while I was waiting for 15 minutes, I searched on how much the products are, and it came out to be $23.50, and I actually paid $25, so I kind of lost $150 from that, but that's alright, and it's a really nice thing to do sheet masking, so that's actually the reason why I'm here. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. See you guys in my next video. Bye!